In this video, we're going to talk about the menu bar. The menu bar starts with the Apple icon. And when you click the Apple icon, you get some information. So you can learn more about your Mac. You can quickly access your system preferences and your app store. Make a special note about system preferences because we're going to come back to system preferences time and time again as we customize our Mac and set things up. You can force quit an application. So if you're coming from the PC world and you've pressed Control-Alt-Delete and went to the Task Manager and you were able to close applications there, force quit is the Mac equivalent of the Task Manager. Okay, and the rest of this menu are your sleep, restart, shutdown commands, as well as locking the screen or logging out of this user. The next set of menus in the menu bar are for the current running application. This is one of the major differences between the Mac and the PC. On the PC, this menu bar is attached to the window of every application. But on the Mac, there's just one menu bar that's at the top of the screen. So here's what I mean. If I open an application, when I'm in the Notes application, you can see up here in the menu bar that the title of the application is here, Notes, and this menu relates to the Notes application. Now, if I click on this application, which is called Finder, Finder opens up, and you can see here in the menu bar, the application has changed, so the title has changed. When you're working on a Mac, just be aware that whatever application is active is going to be highlighted here in the menu. And if you click on a different application, this will change. And also, all the menu items here will change as well. Let me close these applications and show you the rest of the menu bar. Okay, on the right side here, I've got different icons for applications as well as icons for Mac OS, the computer's icons. For all the first-party Apple icons, you can hold down the Command key, click and drag these icons around and customize the position. Release the mouse button and the icon will stay there. That's a neat way to customize your computer. A new feature we have here is the Control Center. So when we click on Control Center, we get an iPhone, iOS style box of different controls that we can switch and turn on in our Mac. So if we wanted to change the brightness of our display, we could click here and drag it, make things a little brighter. We can change the sound here. If we wanted to look at our Wi-Fi settings, we could click on this and we would go into the Wi-Fi menu and get more details. Some of these items we can customize, and we'll see that in another video talking about system preferences. But for now, know that you've got a lot of different controls right here within Control Center. The next button is Siri, and Siri allows you to talk to your computer. Hi Siri, what's the weather? I'll let you decide if you like talking to your computer or not. The last thing we have here is our clock. And a new feature in Big Sur is that this is how you toggle your widgets and your notification center. So if I click on it, my notifications will come up here. And if I scroll down, I've got some widgets enabled on my computer. We'll take a look at those in another video. The menu bar is a great place to find common actions as you work with your applications. So as you use your Mac, get comfortable with the menu bar and how it functions. Especially if you're switching from a PC to a Mac, know the little differences. It'll really help you as you get started.